Today we'll be going through a quick summary of the origin and evolutions of the Earth. First, let's look at the early theories. First theory is the nebula hypothesis theory, which was put forth by Immanuel Kant. It hypothesizes that planets were formed as a cloud of material associated with a youthful sun. The Chamberlain and Moulton theory stated that a wandering star approached the sun and formed a material that revolved around the sun to form planets. Other scientists, Otto Schmidt and Carl Weisasker, suggested that solar nebular dust friction led to the formation of planets. Now, what are some of the modern theories? The modern theory is the Big Bang theory or expanding universe theory put forth by Edwin Hubble. What are the different stages of Big Bang development? Tiny ball singular atom, infinite density and temperature. The ball explodes violently and expands. Energy gets converted to matter. Temperature drops and gives rise to transparent universe with atomic matter. Star formation. The galaxy was formed by an accumulation of hydrogen gas in a cloud form called nebula. Nebula forms clumps of gas that becomes denser and forms stars. Formation of planets. This is how planets are formed. The gravitational force within a star leads to formation of a core to the gas cloud and a huge rotating disk of gas and dust. Gas cloud condenses and after collision forms small rounded objects called planetesimals. Planetesimals come together to form planets. Solar system. The solar system consists of one sun, 8 planets and 63 moons. The first 4 are called inner or terrestrial planets since they are inside the belt of asteroids. The final 4 are outer or Jovian or gas giant planets. What is the difference between terrestrial and Jovian? The gases couldn't condense for terrestrial as it was close to the sun and too warm. Solar wind blew off gas and dust from terrestrial planets. Terrestrial planets are smaller and their lesser gravity could not hold the gases. Moon. The moon was formed due to giant impact by a body onto Earth that blasted a portion of Earth into space, which continued to orbit Earth and form the moon. Evolution of the Earth. First, we look at the evolution of lithosphere. The gradual increase in density led to increase in temperature, which made materials separate depending on density. This separation and cooling formed crust, mantle, outer core and inner core. Next, we look at the steps of evolution of hydrosphere and atmosphere. Early atmosphere stripped off by solar winds. During cooling, gases were released from Earth's surface, which is also known as degassing. The volcanoes released water vapor and gases that later condensed. Carbon dioxide, dissolved in rainwater, led to decrease in temperature, which led to more rains and filling up of oceans. Then there was photosynthesis, which led to the formation of oxygen. What was the origin of life? Complex organic molecules formed an assemblage that can replicate inanimate matter into living substance, which led to the formation of life. That was the end of the video. For more such content, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel.